Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to factory reset of this Zoom H4N Pro. So this is Zoom H4N Pro. So this is the model number. So I'm just going to reset this. To reset, right, what I need to do is you need to press this menu button. Press the menu button for 2 seconds and you can see this options, folder, file, input, everything. And to scroll down, right, you need to do like this: scroll up, scroll down to select the folder. So you need to select this, come for system. Yes, once system selected, right, you need to press this button. Once you press this, right, it will be going inside. Here you need to again scroll down. You can see the versions, and here you can see this factory reset. If you're going to sell this, right, you can do this factory reset. So just again, once selected, right, this is selected, just press this again. I have selected. Now factory reset. Are you sure you want to factory reset or not? Yes or no? I'm going to say yes. Choosing yes. Factory reset is complete. So now my all setting is gone, but whatever right inside in my SD card memory, it is there, but system is overall, it's a factory reset is done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.